Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduced stuffed cabbage rolls. I used them in my last video, oden. I'm sure there are so many recipes of stuffed cabbage rolls. For example, simmer them with tomato sauce, cream sauce, and so on. However, this recipe is Japanese style. I use Dashi, soy sauce, and Mirin, and I top Yuzu on them. The citrus flavor is perfect with this dish. I hope you will enjoy Japanese style of stuffed cabbage rolls. Yes, let's make it. This is a cabbage. I get rid of the outer leaves. Okay. I cut off the stem of the core side. Good. I'll separate the leaves. Okay, I cut it. I separate them carefully. Nice. Good. I've separated 10 leaves. It's okay that the leaves tear a bit. Next, it's Shiitake mushroom. The flavor of it is good, and it gives amazing flavor to the soup. I'll cut them. It's very easy. I remove the stem using the tip of the knife. Nice. Then I'll mince the stem. I cut off the root side shortly. Okay, I slice it thinly. And I cut it into sticks. Good. I chop them finely. Okay, nice. After that, I'll add them to the patties. Next, it's half of the onion. I'll also mince it. I make finely cuts. And turn it. I cut it horizontally from the bottom. Nice. I chop it finely. Okay, I transfer them to a tray. Beautiful. Then I'll blanch the cabbage. I add it into the boiling water. I blanch it for about 1 minute until it becomes tender. Once the stem becomes tender, I remove it and transfer it to the strainer. Beautiful. Of course, we can add some leaves at the same time. Okay. I've blanched all of them and let it cool. Next, I'll stir fry the onion. I turn on the heat. I put the vegetable oil. I spread it and add the onion. I add a pinch of salt. I turn down the heat to low. I stir fry it until it becomes transparent. Okay, good. And then I add minced the stem of Shiitake mushroom. I stir fry them for more 2 minutes. Okay, I turn off the heat. I transfer them to the tray and let them cool. They have become cool. I cut the thick part of the stem. Okay, like this. it helps to roll the patties comfortably. Okay, and then I chop the stems. Nice. I transfer it to the tray as well. This is 400 grams of mixed ground beef and pork. I add a pinch of salt and mix it well. I mix it until it becomes white. Okay, I add 10 grams of mirin and 10 grams of soy sauce. I distribute the seasonings to the meat. I mix them well. Okay, I add these vegetables to the meat. Good. I mix them well. Okay. And then I stuff the patty to the cabbage. I place the patties on the cabbage like this. Good. I roll the meat with the cabbage. Nice. One more. I fold the outside of the cabbage to the center and roll up it. Good. Nice. I prepared 10 stuffed cabbage rolls. I add them to the big pot. The best side of the pot is that just we can place them. This prevents them from moving and collapsing. Great. Then I put shiitake mushroom to the bacon space. Nice. Okay. I add 800 grams of dashi. $20 grams of mirin, 15 grams of usukuchi, 15 grams of koikuchi. Okay, I'll heat it. I turn on the heat. I place the lid to avoid them from moving. Once it starts to boil, I turn down the heat to low. I open the lid. The cabbage is still beautiful green color. I simmer it for 60 minutes over low heat until the cabbage becomes tender. 60 minutes later, I open the lid. The color of them has changed. It looks so delicious. I turn off the heat. I recommend to leave it to absorb the flavor over 3 hours. I kept it in the fridge overnight. I open the lid and turn on the heat. I reheat it. Meanwhile, I'll prepare yuzu. Yuzu adds amazing fragrance to the stuffed cabbage rolls. I peel the skin thinly. Okay, like this. I cut it into thin strips. Okay, beautiful. This yellow color makes the dish more gorgeous. The stuffed cabbage rolls are warm. I turn off the heat. Let's arrange it on a plate. The smell is so good. I place them on a beautiful plate oribe. This plate is my favorite. Nice. I place shiitake mushrooms and pour the soup over them. Great. Finally, I top yuzu on them. Perfect. Japanese style of stuffed cabbage rolls are done. I'll eat it. The cabbage is really tender, enough to cut it with chopsticks. I eat it with yuzu. The meat is so juicy and the flavor of yuzu is so refreshing. Perfect. Thank you. Did you enjoy? How often do you make Japanese meal in your daily life? These stuffed cabbage rolls go well with the rice. I hope you will enjoy Japanese style of stuffed cabbage rolls. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.